the topic all about. So the topic is all about understanding the field of computer engineering and what it really means. It is what computer engineers do and why this field is becoming more important in today's world. So when we talk about computer engineering, we're talking about a combination of hardware and software and how both work together to create the technology we use every day. So basically, the topic introduce us to the idea that the computer engineering is not just about coding or building computers, but it is about designing systems, solving problems, and developing technologies that makes our life easier, like smartphones, laptops, networks, smart devices, security system, and even more advanced technologies like AI and robotics. And it is also highlights how computer engineers contribute to innovation across different industries such as health, education, business, entertainment, transportation, and many more. So overall, the topic teaches us that computer engineering is a field with continuous learning and endless possibilities, especially because technology keeps evolving. So for the question number 2, what is the future computer engineers in global stage? And if we look at the global stage, the future of computer engineering is extremely promising. So right now, many countries are investing heavily in technology like automation, artificial intelligence, and digital transformation. And all of this rely on computer engineering. So for example, in the next few years, artificial intelligence will become even more advanced, like smart devices, self-driving cars, and intelligent systems will be common. So computer engineers are needed to design it, maintain and improve this technology. Cybersecurity is also a major field globally today because almost every company depends on digital data, and there's high demand for people who can protect systems and prevent cyber attacks, and that's something computer engineers specialize in. And another global opportunity is the rise of cloud computing, data science, and Internet of Things like IoT. And these big companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and even government organizations around the world are constantly hiring computer engineers to help build and maintain large-scale systems. So globally, the future is full of opportunities for us. Computer engineering can work remotely for international companies to join tech industries. So, or contribute to innovations that impact millions of people. And since technology is growing faster than ever, computer engineers will be always as needed. So for the question number 3, how do you see yourself in the field of computer engineering? So when I think about myself in the field of computer engineering, I see someone who is continuously learning, improving, and adapting to new technologies. I know the field is challenging, but I also know that it is very fulfilling because everything I learn has a real-world application. So I see myself applying the knowledge I gain from my studies, whether it's programming, networking, circuits, or system designs, to actual projects or work situations. Actually, I imagine myself being a part of a team where We collaborate to solve problems, create new solutions, and build something useful. And I also want to see myself becoming more confident in my skills, especially in areas like I'm still learning right now. And I believe that with enough practice and real experience, I can grow into someone who can handle more complex tasks, like take on responsibilities and eventually specialize in a specific area of computer engineering. So overall, I see myself as a future professional who keeps growing and contributing positively to the field. And for the question number 4, what area do you want to pursue in the future? So there are many exciting areas in computer engineering, and honestly, choosing one is a really big decision. But I think it's about my interests and the opportunities available. So I would like to pursue an area where I can use both creativity and also my technical skills. This could be software development, and because I enjoy building application and programs. And it could also be networking or cybersecurity, hopefully, and especially now that digital security is a major concern or companies and for companies and individuals. So another field that interests me more is for an AI and machine learning, because it is one of the fastest growing technologies today, and AI is used everywhere, from social media filters to self-driving cars, and being a part of that kind of innovation will be exciting. But I'm also open to exploring other areas as I gain more experience. What's important to me is finding a field where I enjoy what I'm doing, and I can keep learning and I can contribute something meaningful in our environment. And I want also to pursue a career that makes me feel fulfilled and also provide stability and growth in the long run. So for the question number 5, what are your key takeaways on the future of jobs? So when I think about the future of jobs, especially in the context of technology, I realize how much the world is changing. One of my biggest takeaways is that jobs in the future will require more digital skills. Technology is not just an option anymore, because it is becoming a requirement. Whether you're in the business, education, or healthcare, technology is involved in almost everything. And another takeaway is that many tasks that people do manually right now may become automated. This means some traditional jobs might disappear or change, but at the same time, new jobs will be created because of this. So these new jobs will require skills like like problem solving, creativity, and technical knowledge. That's why continuous learning is very important. And I also learned that jobs will become more flexible. Remote work is becoming normal, and people can now work for companies located in other countries without living in their home. And this open up more opportunities for professionals, especially in tech fields like computer engineering. And finally, I realized that the future of job is not something to fear. It is something to prepare for, as long as we keep improving our skills and stay updated with the technology and remain willing to learn. And we will always have opportunities And the key is to adapt to and to grow along with the changes happening in the world. So that's all. Thank you.